motherfucker was amped. The nigga was motherfucking hyped up. The nigga just grabbed the nigga, snuffed the nigga, and it was on from there. The motherfucker, there wasn't nothing stopping him.
What the rest of these niggas do?
Man, the motherfucker was just ready for anything. The niggas was packing burners. The niggas ready to fight whatever they had to do, home. The niggas was on the real flip mode, home. They was coming out like a motherfucker. The nigga was amped. He was like, come on, motherfucker.
Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
Yeah.
Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
Are you awake now?
Hell yeah, I'm awake.
Come on.
Tell me what the fuck is going
Come
on
on,
here.
motherfuckers, come on.
Competition, stop
Come
by the
on,
dance level.
motherfuckers, come on.
Check us out.
Let's go deep into the phrase. Feel the sun rays off the forehead. Everything is real. Biggie put me on his joint, so I'ma be the big wheel. I just spin. Hey dad, place your bet on 7. Peace to 106, 108, 110, 111. Hey Biggie, I understand you're from Brooklyn with 22s in your shoes. Yo, keep the joint.
Well, why not blow up the spot with Sadat? Release the brainstorm to make your motherfucking brain warm. A strange form, something kinda lyrical. Biggie the bastard, Sadat's kinda spiritual. Well, in God we trust, guns I bust. Got that disgusting suicide thumping. And do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that I bring? Make an MC wanna sing for a living. Check the beat down, we fucking give it. Come on,
Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
Come on,
Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
come on,
Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
come on.
Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
What? Niggas want drama, putting work on my block. When I told y'all last week, that shit was too hot. Selling deuces and trades, cuts my dimes. Somebody don't get paid, somebody block gets sprayed. Reaction is delayed as you run down the block. Hot one in your chest, your breath come in spurts. Hey yo, Biggie, tell these niggas I'ma hit them where it hurts. The big city, it don't spare no bodies. Call me Papi Chulo to all the Spanish mommies. I'm about 10 blunts down, drank 3 or 4 stouts, seen 5 fat asses. Pass this bitch with glasses. Yo, money, that's your stock. Yo, Biggs, pass the clock. I'ma tell him it can happen. Don't play me with that rap shit. Life is real, so Biggie, take the steal.
Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
Motherfuckers,
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 Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8 38s, 9 9s, 10 Mac 10s. The shit's never end. You can't touch my riches. Even if you had MC Hammer and them 357 bitches. Biggie Smalls, the millionaire, the mansion, the yacht, the 2 weed spots, the 2 hot blocks. That's how I got the weed spot. I shot Dread in the head, took the bread and the lamb spread. Little Gotti got the shotty to your body. So don't resist or you might miss Christmas.